Hi guys, I installed this Della mini split air conditioning about 8 months ago. It's a really good air conditioner. It was easy to install. It took me about 4 hours to install it. It's kind of cool because you have a remote right here that you can use locally, or if you want to start it when you're away from the house, it uses Wi-Fi. So it's hooked up to my Wi-Fi here at the house, and then it has this nice app that's very easy to use. As you can see, we have it on cool right now, and you can control it up and down by the app. So you can see I just changed it to 70, and up here it just changed to 70. So that's the temperature that it's going to be set to, and so you can turn it on and off. Pretty much everything you can do with this remote you can do with the app remotely. So that's a really nice thing about it. This is our kind of little guest room, so I can remotely change it when we're going to have guests coming over to get it cooled down, and I don't even have to step foot in this room. So if you guys need a mini split, this Della mini split has been fantastic for us. I couldn't recommend him enough. And it was real easy to install. So if you need a mini split, I would recommend go ahead and get you one of these Dellas. Thanks.